Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about blackjack. Soft 17. Soft equals 60. Hard equals 31. The total is the birth of 29, or the total of 91. At the total of 91. Plus 6 or minus 6 is 85, the matrix. Plus 6 inside 60, 91. Plus 6 is 97, the birth inside the gateway. The beginning and the end. This is the beginning, and this is the beginning. This is the end. This is the end. 10 and 7, 9 and 8. Ace and 6 will create your 17. There is no other way to create it with two cards. This one will create 23. You have bust. Or it will create 11. And now you can double down. 9 and 8 will create 120, 137. Ace and 6, 0, 1 and 0, 6 will create 127. This one will create 17 or 23. It's not a 0 before. 2 and 8, 7 and 3, 4 and 6, 5 and 5. These are all 10s. 10 equals 39. 2 equals 58. 8 equals 49. 4 and 4. 7 equals 65. 3 equals 56. 2 and 2 are 11, 11. 4 equals to 6 or 60. 60 is the number Four, Seven, TWO, EIGHT, THREE, SIX, FIVE equals 42. 6 and 6, 2 and 2, 4 and 4. These two will come to create this one over here in the addition and the division of 4 and 6 right over here. 10 equals to 39, or the sky system. Now, 11, ace and 10. Okay, ace and 10 will now equal to 16 and 17. Ace and 10 equals to 17 right over here. Remember I showed you that over here? Soft 17. 10 and 7 equals 17, 23. But this one over here will equal to 11, and it will equal to the skies of Saturn. 39, creation of the sky, because it says this number here says C. This one over here says I. Together it's 12 for L. It says cielo. Okay, cielo. Anything to do with 15 is 1.5 times the sky. This is 61, 71, and 6, 77. The skies of Christ. The difference is the light. The light is 16, and 77 equals to 93. 2 and 9 equals 46, rotation. 3 and 8 equals 24, 9 lives of the cat. 101, the split of the gateway. 4 and 7 equals 62. 5 and 6 equals 67. 5 and 6 over here. So when we use, these are your combinations for 21. 2 and 9, 11. Okay, but if you're doubling down, in order to get over here, if you're doubling down, okay, over here, the card you actually want on any of these is the ace, which will give you 9, equaling to 53. It'll give you 9. 9, 229, 679, 669. The next, that would be the ace. If it wasn't the ace is a value of 9. Okay, the 10 has a value of 3. The 9 has a value of 6. So to connect with 19, 20, 21, you need 3, 6, 9. The 8, okay, which you're not going to be too happy, okay, the 8 is a value of 4. The 7 is a value of 2. Now when you're 6, your 6 is a value of 7. And you must pull a card because you stand in the gateway. This is the basics of these numbers. The next thing is to know is that 3, 12 and 36, is that 3 is 1/3 of 9. Okay? 3 is 1/3 of 9, and 2 is 1/3 of 6. This is the Z letter. 2 and 6 comes together over here. And we have 2 and 6 coming together right over here. 4 and 7, okay, 4 equals to 6, and 7 equals to 2 over here. 6 and 2, 7 and 4, that would be the cycle of the moon, and that also says the word Jesus in it. What's up, what's down? 2 angles on each side. We created the whole circle of the earth, 2 flat ends. We're pulling everything together with magnets, right? Let's not have too much heat come in here, otherwise we'll shrivel up the dome. So this is your blackjack. The score over here. One thing I did want to add on is that in Roman numerals, 1 is an I. The 2 is 2 i's. The 3 is 3 i's, okay? So it becomes, 1 i becomes 0, 9, okay? Becomes 0, 9. 2 i's become 18. 3 i's become 27. 27, 45, 56. Okay, there is no 4 i's. The 4 i's come with a v, but it does have 4 i's in a row because it's v minus 1. So it creates 36 minus 22. 1, 1, 1, 1 equals to 36 minus v. But v is the 22nd letter, so you have to minus 22 from this, and you end up with 14. And that is your DNA. I, 9, 3. I, in the 3, you need 3 of these, but 3 of these creates 9. 3 of these create 27. 10, 11, and 12. 10, 11, and 12. Because when you're at 10 and you have a Roman numeral, when you're at 11 and you have a Roman numeral, and you're at 12, you have a Roman numeral. You can go up to 13, having X111. Raphael, let me take you on one more thing. That when you have 39 value of 10 and 17 value at 65, you have communication. When you have 9 equals to 42 and 8 equals to 49, you have the spirit, because you have reached both sides of the yellow ball on each side. When you have the ace and the 6, ace equaling to 9, 6 equaling to 52, you have the half-life. 11 times 11 equals the half-life. What is this 60? This 60 because it's 0, 9. This becomes 121, 11, 11. 9 and 7 is 16. 6 and 7 is 13. Where do we get 6 and 7? We get 6 and 7 from what? Where did we get 6 and 7 from? 16, 7 and 7. I'm not quite sure where we got this, but remember, hold on a second. Sorry, I put the tape on hold and I can't exactly remember where they come from. But remember, 6 always comes. When 0 is there, that means 0 is all around 1. When it's all around 1, automatically 6 is accompanied by it. 6 and 6 is 12, and 6 is 18. 1 and 8 is 9. 1 and 3, 13. 1 and 6, PM. This is the night PM. We have the gateway, and this says Jesus in the name. Now, I think we're going to stop it right now. I can't remember where I was at. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.